Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine in this pandemic situation. Student, as you all know, in previous class I am explaining chapter 3 with all exercise and question answer. Today I am starting chapter 4. Chapter 4 of your English literature. This chapter name is No No Bird. What is the chapter name, student? This chapter name is No No Bird. Okay, this is your chapter 4. Look at here. Read the sentence and fill in the blanks. Use the picture clues one has been done for you. At first, read the sentence and fill in the blanks. Use picture clues one has done for you. Okay, so all these pictures are given. Okay, these are all clues. So let's start. Number 1, I am large, I have mane, I rode. Whose road, student? Lion. Okay, you people write here what? Lion. Lion. One is done for you. This one is done for you. Okay, I am large, I have mane, I roar. So lion. Lion. Okay, next, I fly, I have feather and beak. Okay, bird. You people write here bird. 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 Okay, next, I fly. Number 3, I fly, I love flower, I am found in many colors. I fly, I love flower, I have found in many colors. This one, butterfly. You people write here Butterfly. Okay, butterfly. 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 Next, number 4, I am playful, I can climb trees. Who can climb trees, students? Who can climb trees? So monkey. Okay, here is there, look at here, this is monkey. So I am playful, I can climb trees. So you people write what? You people write monkey. 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 Okay, next, I have paws and whisker, I have strips. Who have strips here, student? Cat. You people write here cat. 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 What you people write? You people write cat. 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 So number 1, I am large, I have mane, I roar. This one is lion. 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 Next, I fly, I have feather and a beak. So you people write what? You people write bird. 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 Next, I fly, I love flower, I am found in many colors. So you people write what? You people write butterfly. BUTTER. Butter. FLY. Fly. Butterfly. Okay, next, I am playful, I can climb trees. I am playful, I can climb trees. So you people write what? You people write monkey. 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 Next, I have paws and whisker, I have strips. So you people write what? You people write cat. 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 Okay, so next I am starting poem. Okay, look at here. I am the no bird. Okay, I am the no bird. That's right, that's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. Okay, the no birds is where live, students? The no birds live in tantrum tree. Okay, I am the no birds. Okay, that's right, that's me. That's right, it's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. Nano bird says, my name is what? My name is no bird. Okay, That's right, that's me. It is right, that's it is me. Okay, it is right, that's it is me. I live up in the tantrum tree. Where she live? She live in the tantrum tree. Okay. I am the nono bird. I won't say why. I am the what? I am the nono bird. I won't say why. Okay. I stamp my feet and shout and cry. I stamp my what? Nono bird stamp her feet. Okay. And shout and cry. I am the nono bird. I sulk and sing. Nono bird is sulk means upset. Okay. To be upset. Okay. Sulk means what? Sulk means to be upset. Okay. I am the nono bird. I sulk and sing no 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 to everything. Nono bird says what? Nono bird says no 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 to everything. This poem is written by what? This poem is written by Andrew Fitzpeter. Okay. This poem is written by Andrew Fitzpeter. Okay. So once more I am reading it. Listen to me very carefully. I am the nono bird. Okay. I am the nono bird. That's right. That's me. It's right. This child says it's right that me. I live up in the tantrum tree. Okay. I am the nono bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and shout and cry. Okay. I am the nono bird. I sulk and sing no 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 to everything. I hope student this poem is very enjoyable poem and you people try to learn at your home this poem. Okay, this poem is very interesting poem. Okay, so you people read it once more. I am the nono bird. I am the nono bird. N-O-N-O. Okay, B-I-R-D bird. T-H-A-T-S. It is very important students to learn spelling. Okay, without spelling you people don't you people can't write by your own this poem. Okay, so it is very important at first you people learn the spelling of your poem and after that you people write this poem truly. Okay, so once more I am reading it, you also learn. Okay, at your home. I am the nono bird. That's right, that's me. I am the nono bird. That's right, that's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. Nono bird says what, student? Nono bird says I live in what? I live in the tantrum tree. Okay. I am the nono bird. That's right, that's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. I am the nono bird. Okay. T-A and these spellings are very important. T-A and T-R-U-M. Okay. I am the nono bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet as S-T-A-M-P. Stamp. Okay. I stamp my M-Y. My F-E-E-T. Feet. Okay. And shout. A-N-D and S-H-O-U-T. Shout and cry. A-N-D and C-R-Y. Cry. Okay. I am the nono bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. I sulk. Sulk means bird is to be upset. Okay. S-U-L-K. I sulk and sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. To everything. Okay. To what? To everything. This poem is written by Andrew. A-N-D-R-E-W. Andrew Fisk, F-U-E-S-K, Fisk Peter, P-E-T-E-R. Okay, Andrew Fisk Peter. Okay, so next look at here. Number A, fill in the blanks. Okay, with words from the poem. This is fill in the blanks. Okay, with the help of your poem, you people what? Complete it. Number 1. The child lives up in the dash tree. The child live up in the, as you all know, I am saying tantrum tree. T-A-N-T-R-U-M. Okay. T-A-N-T-R-U-M. T-R-U-M, tantrum tree. As you all know, I am saying number 1, the child leaps up. The child leaps up in the dash tree. So you people write what? You people write tantrum. T-A-N-T-R-U-M. Okay. Tantrum, tantrum tree. Okay. Next, number 2. The child can shout and dash. The child can shout and here, look at here. The child, what? The child shout and cry. C-R-Y, cry. I am no bird. The child says na, I am no bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and shout and cry. So this child what? The child can shout and cry. C-R-Y, cry. Okay. The child is shout and cry. Next, he says dash to everything. The child says what? The child says no to everything. Okay. When he does any walk, he says what? He says no to everything. Okay. So, once more I am explaining it. Fill in the blanks with words from the poem. Okay. Number 1, the child leaps up in the dash tree. The child leaps up in the tantrum tree. T-A-N-T-R-U-M. Okay. T-A-N-T-R-U-M. Tantrum tree. Okay. The child lives up in the tantrum tree. Tantrum. Okay. Next, number 2. The child can shout and dash. The child can shout and cry. C-R-Y. Cry. Okay. Next, number 3. He says dash to everything. He says what? The child says no to everything. What you people write here? You people write no. The child says no to everything. Okay. I hope students today you people enjoying my class. You people learn this poem at your home. Once more I am reading it. I am no bird. That's right, that's me. Okay, here a child. Okay, he says I am no bird. Okay, that's right, that's me. It is right, that's me. I leap up in the tantrum tree. He says what? I leap up in the tantrum tree. I am the no bird. I won't say why. I don't know. I won't say why. He says I am no bird. Okay, he tell everything to no. That's why he say I am no bird. I won't say why. He doesn't know why he says that. Okay, I won't say why. I stamp my feet and shout and cry. Okay, he says I stamp my feet and shout and cry. I am the no bird. I sulk and sing. Sulk means he is to be upset. Okay, to be upset. I am the no bird. It sulk and sing no to everything. Okay, no to everything. This poem is written by Andrew Fitzpeter. Okay, so students, I hope today you people enjoying this class. You people enjoying the poem, the no bird, and this fill in the blanks. Okay, and here is your question answer. Okay, these question answers I am discussing, but all these things I am given in my worksheet. If you have any problem to write orally, you people follow my worksheet also. Okay. Okay, so number 1 is what? Are you like no bird? You people like no bird. Every time he says no. Are you like this bird? No. Okay. Number 2, what do you do when you want something? Do you throw a tantrum? When you want something, you throw a tantrum, students? No. Every time you do a tantrum? No. Okay. Number 3, does a poem teach you something? Yes, the poem teach us what? Don't say every time no. Okay, we always do our work. Okay, don't say every time no. This is a good habit, students. Every time says no, it's not a good habit at all. So we people always do our work. Don't say no. Okay, that's why this poem name is what? This poem name is the no bird. Okay, because he says no. That's why this poem is known as the no bird. Okay, I hope students today you people enjoyed my class, and All these things I am also given in my worksheet. Okay, in next class of my literature, then I will give all this worksheet, all this portion in my worksheet. Okay, I hope students, you people today enjoying my class, and try to do this fill in the blanks in your own notebook. And this poem, try to learn this poem with spelling also. Okay, try to learn this poem with spelling, like tantrum, tree, bird, stamp, feet, cry. Okay, these spellings are very important in this poem. I hope you people learn it. Okay, so students, thank you to attend my class today.